A Tennessee woman is living an unusual nightmare after experiencing an allergic reaction to steroids taken for an asthma attack. For 2 years, she endured countless tests and treatments for the bumps covering her skin with no positive results until 2011, when doctors at Johns Hopkins Hospital in Baltimore discovered her skin produces a dozen times more skin cells in each hair follicle. Essentially, those hair follicles were producing nails instead of hair. While doctors have been unable to identify the disease and its cause, they have thankfully been able to control the symptoms. The unnamed disease once affected her mobility as she was unable to walk. However, she can now get around using a cane. The treatment has been costly for the 28-year-old woman, putting her $250,000 in debt for medical bills. In another recent report, a baby from Hamilton, Canada is suffering from an unknown disease. Since the infant, Braden, was born, he was unable to cough, swallow, or gag. Braden just reached his first birthday. However, doctors are no closer to revealing the cause of the illness.